Hello everyone, today we're taking a closer look at the Kids Car Rug size 3 by 5 feet. The design is a city road map play rug, perfect for sparking creativity and keeping kids entertained. This rug was sent to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. As you can see, it arrives neatly packed. Once you unfold it, the design immediately stands out. Right away, we laid it in our living room because our 3-year-old got so excited. And because our apartment isn't that big, the 3 by 5 size is just perfect for our space. It fits comfortably without overwhelming the room. We chose this design specifically because our 3-year-old son is obsessed with toy cars. The road map layout is perfect for him. He can drive his toy cars along the streets, stop at buildings, and create his own little city adventures. The rug is made of super soft fabric. Our son kids loves touching and interacting with it. You'll see my wife is sitting with him, joining in the play. That softness makes it comfortable for both kids and parents to sit together on the floor. As parents, we really appreciate that it's made with skin-safe materials. That's a big deal for us, knowing our son can spend hours on it without irritation or worry. It's a safe, family-friendly, and built for everyday use. The patterns are bright, fun, and child-friendly. Watching my son and wife play together on the rug highlights how the design encourages creativity and family bonding. For him, it's not just a rug, it's a racetrack, a city, and playground all in one. Here's a close-up of the fabric. It's soft to the touch, and the stitching feels durable enough to handle daily play. There was even one time my son got so comfortable that he actually fell asleep on the rug using his pillow. That moment really showed us how cozy and inviting it is, not just for play, but for rest too. This one is the 3 by 5 size, which works perfectly for our apartment. But the brand also offers larger sizes and other design, so you can choose what fits in your space and your kids' play style. The rug is lightweight, so it's easy to move between rooms, and cleanup is simple. It's machine washable, which is lifesaver for us. To wrap it up, the Kids Car Rug is a playful, affordable way to spark imagination at home. It's soft, safe, and designed with kids in mind. The 3 by 5 size is perfect for a smaller space like ours, but if you need bigger one, they've got larger options and different designs to choose from. For our son who's absolutely car obsessed, this rug has been the perfect match, and the fact that he even fell asleep on it once shows just how comfortable it is. Whether you're setting a playroom, adding a fun touch to a bedroom, or just looking for a creative way to keep kids engaged, this rug delivers. If you want to check this out, link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.